Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Michael McNeil and I'm bringing you my best hunts from all over the world. Today, we are hunting Sandhill Cranes and we are super pumped to kill some ribeye of the sky. We got a pretty cool hunt here that I think set up. I think the birds have been in here for quite a bit. We've been watching them. So typically when we have wind, we like to hunt geese, ducks, and stuff, but cranes, when we have little wind, very low wind, we try to hunt cranes on those days because geese are pretty tough to hunt with no wind, and cranes, they can be kind of coaxed into any situation. Not saying it's easy with no wind, but it's definitely a lot easier than trying to kill snow geese or Canada geese or lessers or something like that. So today we got no wind. The wind's going to be kind of switching around from east, southeast, northeast. So what we're going to do is we got on the edge of this field and we have the A-frame out. You guys can see the A-frame. And then we got all the decoys out in front here. So in this part of the country where I'm hunting, it seems like the giant Canada geese seem to follow the Sandhill Cranes around. And so what we try to do here is we put out I think I got about, I don't know, 50 or 60 full body crane decoys out. We also put on about 2-3 dozen Canada full bodies just in case some of these giant Canadas come around and we can have a shot at maybe killing them too. So probably see some Canada geese, probably see some cranes today, and you know what? You never know what might show up. So smash that follow button and let's see if we can't make some cranes rain. Come right over you. Okay, he's right behind you. John, stand up and shoot him right behind you. Stand up and shoot right behind you. Kill him right up, straight up. Nice shot. Hey, when I say shoot them, boys. That-a-way.
Hey, this is not pretty bad.
Okay, they're gonna come right over the top of us. There's about 15 of them. Okay, they're gonna come right over the top of us. About 10 yards off the ground. Kill him! There we go, that's raining them out. Get that one! Nice! Nice, 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 boys! Blue!
If I was shooting on that, I didn't shoot right out because
yeah, that's fine. I waited till they got, that was good. Everybody got to shoot?
Yeah. I shot that last one, but I didn't.
Here, Blue! Here you go, Blue. Back.
How many did you get out of there?
Like 5 or 6.
Oh, did we?
Yeah.
We rained them out pretty good.
Here, Blue. Back.
Oh, yeah.
Bring him here, bro.
That's the same group.
That same group. Here, Blue. Ladies and gentlemen, big old beaks.
Here comes 3 back right in
Yeah.
the flock.
Just let this get these picked up here. We got plenty of time. There's like 800 birds here. Come here. Back. Back. Hi. Kennel. Kennel. Good boy. Drop it. Kennel. 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 Grab my gun.
Huh?
Grab my gun so it doesn't fall. There you go. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So no wind means the birds can come in from any direction, so we're kind of just taking them when we can. Those birds are all nice and close. Got to see a couple nice rainouts. The birds are going to start jumping around here a little bit in a little bit, but when they kind of come over like that and they're nice and low, we're just going to bust them because they're not nothing to push them around. It's easier killing these than like I said, geese and no wind, but they're coming. We're killing them. Here they come around the corner. Up front. Here they come, up front, right out in the hole. Coming right in the pocket. Make 'em rain! Nice shooting, boys! That's all. Get that one on the right. Get him on the right. Nice shooting. That's wrecking some cranes, boy.
Oh yeah.
Nice shot. Heck yeah. That was right in the putty hole, ladies and gentlemen.
Up on the right.
Yeah. Blue, send the dog. Oh, shoot, crane. Jed, shoot that one. Shoot him again. There you go, right in the head. That's good. Blue, here. Here.
They're coming back. They're coming back.
Here. Back. We gotta pick up. More coming back right. Come on, Blue. Here, back. Back. All right, let's get back in. Now we were able to coax those in. They came around the corner. I called them right to the decoys. I got to about 10 yards and we absolutely wrecked those. That was awesome. That was pretty sweet. That was a pretty sick flock, ladies and gentlemen. Back.
That tall weed is right.
I already smelled it.
Yeah, you'll be on it. Right there.
Good shooting, guys. I'm so proud of you.
How many did we get there?
A bunch.
That was pretty
Here, Blue. Good dog. Fetch it here. Fetch it here. Fetch it here. Fetch it here. Come on. Good dog. All right. Kennel. 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 Old Johnny Swagard is shooting tee shot today at Cranes. That's right. He's shooting tees. Down. Oh, 3 to the left. 3 to the left. 3 to the left. Ready? On these 3 on the left. Yeah. Kill the 3! There we go.
Oh yeah.
shit.
I like that, boys.
Yeah.
I like that.
How you like that, boys? We having fun or what? Just a bunch of crane shooting SOBs, ladies and gentlemen.
Reggie, come. Come here, buddy. Good boy.
Back. Jackson, go count these, please. Put 5 behind each guy. Got those. Good boy, Brew. Bring him here. Good dog. Drop it. One more time, Jackson. There we go. Nice shooting, boys. They got.
Yeah.
How you like that, Johnny?
They got worked it good.
Ah, boy, Blue. You old crane fighter, you. You old crane fighter, you. Bring me here, Blue.
What's that, 18 rows?
Well, let's recount. Kill them! Kill them! Finish them! There you go.
Key shot.
There you go.
I didn't even get up. I knew you guys could do it. Did you see me shooting with a weed? Weed on my barrel. You got some weed, Chuck?
That's 20, right?
Yep.
Good boy, Blue. Here, Blue. Here, Blue. Here, Blue. Back.
Oh, there's a big group.
Here, come right over the top. Kill him! Stop. Okay, that's enough. No more, no more.
3
We got 4 or 5, I think.
2 went down over here.
and 3 out front.
No. Hold on, stop. All right. We think we're good. Blue.
Come here, Red. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Fetch it up.
Here come 3.
I know. We got. I think we're good.
Yeah.
Hold on. Back. 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 Count, go count again. Did any fall in the grass over there or not? I got 1 down over here. Here, Blue. Blue, back. Hey, sit back. Back. There's 2 more. Blue, back. No, Blue, back. Okay, so there's 5 here.
Okay.
All these are stacked.
That's 4.
Yeah, that's 4.
So we're 1 short. Here, put those down there somewhere. We're 1 short. We got plenty of time to get another one.
Well, better to be 1 short than
Yeah, I don't want.
Over, yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we need 1 more crane for a limit. We can shoot 5 apiece. There's 5 of us, so 24 cranes right now. And let's see what time it is. What time is it, Jackson?
7:43. Shooting for an hour.
We've been shooting for an hour, and we've been very, very selective.
Yeah.
You know, we had a couple flocks come in and do it out in the hole. The wind's kind of switching, so we're facing north, and it started northeast, and then it kind of went east. Now it's southeast. You know, so we're just kind of taking these birds when we can get them. Yeah, some of them are right in the putty hole. They're all decoying, but I just don't know if some of them will spin around and come back so we're just kind of taking them when they come over the top on some of them. But you know, geez, I mean, most of those birds are 15, 20 yards when I'm calling it. So I know the GoPro makes things look further away than they are, but let me just tell you, them birds are close. So we got 1 honker and 24 cranes right now. We can shoot 1 more. 2 more roll low right, Jed. 2 coming right at you. Coming right over the blind. Kill him, Jed. Kill him. Kill him. Shoot! Shoot!
somebody else kill him.
Jesus Christ,
Our
Jen.
fucker got hit 15 times. I didn't get fingers hit. Hold on.
Oh,
Hold on,
that's
Rick.
funny.
Reggie, hold on. Come here.
Jen hit him in the ass all 3 times.
Jed?
Jen.
Kip.
We got our limit, ladies and gentlemen. That one took way more shots than it should have. But we let Jed have the last bird, and Jed is notorious for shooting stuff in the butt. So anyway, smash that follow button, hit that subscribe button. That was an awesome hunt. Everybody stand up for me here. Get in the blind so I can get some faces and show the YouTube world. Everybody stand up for a second quick. All right, so I got good buddy Jackson with.
Oh yeah.
The young guy. Got Danny.
Look at this.
John.
Oh my
Jed.
gosh, Michael.
Look at this. Coming right in the putty hole.
We're standing up.
Standing up.
That's crazy.
Of course, they start coming in real good after you're already done, but you can't beat that. That was a fun crane hunt. No wind, and we still killed our 25 birds. So smash that subscribe button, ring that bell so you can be the first one to know when I release a new video. And until next time, make 'em rain. First crane hunt of 2024, what'd you think?
It was okay.
It was okay. John?
Yeah, it's all right.
I learned today that Jed likes to shoot the cranes in the butts.
Yeah, yes he does. How do you think, Danny?
Tits.
Tits.
You don't
Tits is, you can't say the F word on YouTube, but you can say tits. So from Danny, from Castleton, North Dakota, born and raised, tits is good enough for me. So, all right, that was awesome hunt.